So what we got here is the BMW 7 Series 2009, and what we've done is we fully retrofitted in factory style Carplay on the original screen. So everything's original, we have not changed anything. As you can see, that's the factory iDrive system. So it came with the CIC, and with the Carplay system it works all on the original iDrive. It's fully wireless, so you get the full wireless feature, so no wires need connecting. You can use the original controller to control the system. You can use all your favorite apps right on the main screen. So Google Maps, Waze, now you got full easy navigation. Really does change up the old vehicles. So yeah, if you want something like this retrofitted, we can install it for you on your vehicle. You can check the link down below for the product and installation. And yeah, you can always switch back to the original system as well, so you can still use the original system. Sound comes with the CarPlay as well, so if you have music playing, you can see the music comes through as well. So yeah, also if you do have a reverse camera, it will retain the reverse camera as well. Yeah, thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. See the link down below for more information. Thank you.